Hi friends, welcome to Techie Venkateshh YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna see how to change the time format on Windows 11. In India, many of us uses 12 hours time format, but when we install Windows 11, by default, we get 24-hour time format. For many of us, we have difficulty in changing the time format on Windows 11. So let's see how to do that with few clicks. First, hover over your mouse to clock and then right click. You will see adjust date and time, so just click that and a new dialog box will open. Scroll down. Here you can see under related links, language and region, just click that. And then you can see under region there is regional format, so just click this regional format. Here it shows your current date and time format, so you want to change it, right? So click the change format. Here you can see short time shows as 9:40. So you can see right now my computer shows in 24-hour time format without AM, PM, anything. So under this short time, click this 9:40. You will see 9:40 AM. So once I click it, immediately it got changed in my clock. You can see it shows 12 hours time format 11:08 PM. So it also shows you the AM, PM. It's very simple. So that's how you have to change the time format in Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so that you won't miss our upcoming videos like this. Have a nice day. Bye.